What's up, everyone? Today, we're celebrating the one and only SZA on her 35th birthday. And if there's one thing we know about this superstar, it's that she loves the great outdoors. From hikes through lush forests to embracing the beauty of the natural world, SZA shows us how deeply she connects with Mother Earth. She isn't just about the music, she's all about grounding herself in nature and finding peace among the trees and trails. She gives off nothing but positive, earthy vibes, and it's clear that these moments in nature fuel her creativity. We can feel that energy in her music. It's raw, it's real, and it's so uniquely SZA. Today, let's all send some love her way. Drop A or A in the comments to wish SZA a happy 35th and many more beautiful adventures in nature. Here's to a new year filled with growth, peace, and more incredible music.